What are some morning affirmations audio examples? Here is your private affirmation session to reframe the past, rebuild the future, and ignite passion. These historic quotes are 18 of the best affirmations to increase focus, energize the day, and get your manifesting morning started on track. Breathe deeply and stay until quote number 1. It's one of my personal favorites. Ready? Let's go. Number 18. When you solve a problem, you ought to thank God and go on to the next one. David Dean Rusk. 17. The motto of chivalry is also the motto of wisdom, to serve all, but love only one. Honoré de Balzac. 16. The most dangerous strategy is to jump a chasm in 2 leaps. Benjamin Disraeli. Say not, I have found the truth, but rather, I have found a truth. Khalil Gibran. Forgiveness is God's command. Martin Luther. Freedom and democracy are dreams you never give up. Aung San Suu Kyi. Safeguarding the rights of others is the most noble and beautiful end of a human being. Kay Gibran. In every walk with nature one receives far more than he seeks. John Muir. It is not because things are difficult that we do not dare, it is because we do not dare that they are difficult. Seneca. Ensuring quality higher education is one of the most important things we can do for future generations. Ron Lewis. A peace that depends on fear is nothing but a suppressed war. Henry Van Dyke. Sorrow can be alleviated by good sleep, a bath and a glass of wine. Thomas Aquinas. He that will not apply new remedies must expect new evils, for time is the greatest innovator. Sir Francis Bacon. I went back to work because someone had to pay for the groceries. Betty Davis. Nothing so needs reforming as other people's habits. Mark Twain. God always gives his best to those who leave the choice with him. Jim Elliot. The future is no place to place your better days. David Matthews. Formal education will make you a living, self-education will make you a fortune. Jim Rohn. I'm just curious, do you like the law of attraction? We're giving away copies of our Dream Life Manifestation program to new followers as a thank you. If I gave you the link, would you check the program out? Be sure to check out the first link in the description. If you would tap the like button, it would make my day. Which affirmation was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you. Subscribe to this amazing playlist of my Law of Attraction secrets, and I'll see you in the next session. Have an amazing day.